I'm going to show you how to make mud water. First thing, you need to get your mud water like this, and then you grab a spoon and then open the can like this. And then you put it like this. And then once that in, you make hot water. Once hot water is ready, you put it in the mud water. And then you mix it all together with this creamer. Wait for it. There. And then you put hot water right in there. Or if you want, you can add any creamer or half and half. Not too much, it's going to be too sweet. And then you stir it like this. So this is how you make mud water. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful.